Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is White Wedding Hydrangeas in 2 minutes. White Wedding Hydrangea paniculata has become my favorite panicle hydrangea. It has this incredible compact form. It requires almost no maintenance whatsoever. It'll ultimately reach about 4 to 6 feet in height, 3 to 5 feet in width. They're hardy in zone 4 to 9, so almost everybody watching this video can grow this plant. I've got 3 up here at the top that have been there for 2 springs. I haven't had to prune them yet, and they have just a perfect compact habit. Hydrangea paniculatas bloom on new wood, so they can actually be pruned in the winter time, and that encourages some additional flowering to take place. The flowers start in the late spring or early summer, and they're kind of a lime green color, and then they get brighter and brighter white over time. These have color most of the summer. Hydrangea paniculatas prefer more sun than other types of hydrangeas, so give them plenty of sun. They're super drought tolerant, but would benefit from some watering, especially while they're flowering during the growing season. But nothing you put in is going to offer you flowers for as long as this. Most flowering shrubs are in that 2-3 week flowering category. This one, once it gets started in the early summer, is going to bloom most of the summer. They don't really have many pest problems. They'll get a few chewing insects here or there, but it doesn't really interrupt the flowers at all. It's one thing I really like about Hydrangea paniculatas is they're going to be super, super reliable. The thing that sets White Wedding apart from other varieties is it has these super sturdy stems on it that hold the flowers up big and tall and really, really show them off. Those 3 up at the corner actually stopped traffic the last 2 summers with people wanting to know what they were because the flowers are so showy. Other Hydrangea paniculatas, by the time they bloom some years, they're kind of stretched out and a little bit floppy at that point. So thank you very much for watching this video, and be on the lookout for these White Wedding Hydrangeas from the Southern Living Plant Collection.